can see that the data is there. We have created with the help of data frame variable, and the output you can see on the right hand side that what is there in the data. Now we have to find the mean of each column and return results as a list. So the idea is that I am using the data and I'm finding out the mean of every column. Every column means that for every column there are 5 values. There are 5 values in every column and I want to find out the mean. In other words, I can also say that I want to find out the mean of every vector which I have passed in the data frame. So sometimes it happens that our data is in the form of vectors, in the form of lists. Not necessary every time we will get data in a structured manner. Sometimes we get a lot of unstructured data which is in the form of vectors or series. And in that case, it becomes very difficult to perform the apply function because apply function is working only on the data frames and matrices. So here in the data frame, we have 3 separate vectors, as you can see. Vector A, B and C. So when I use apply function, lapply function instead of apply function, in the brackets I pass data, comma, mean. Mean is my function. So data, comma, mean, and I press enter. The moment I press enter, you can see the mean of every vector. So you can see 6.4 for vector A, 5.8 for vector B, and 11.2 for vector C. So that is how we can very easily do such kind of calculations with the help of lapply function. The only thing we have to understand here is that how we will be dealing with the function, whether it will be lapply or apply, that totally depends on the type of data we have within a data frame. So within a data frame, what type of data is there, that decides that which type of function can I go for. Let's have a look of lapply function with one more example. Here we multiply values in each column by 2. So mainly and return the result as a list. So whatever value is there, we have to multiply that by 2 and we have to return that as an output. So how we will do it? So we use lapply. Within brackets we pass data. Data is our variable and then comma. Then we call the function. We create a function and for the function we pass data as the variable. We can see that function is a reserved word and we pass data as a variable, and within that function, which is basically a one-line function, we calculate data into 2. So you can see data into 2 and we close the brackets.